Hi everyone, it's Miss Bangara here. I hope everybody's doing well. This message is for all fifth grade students because I have a special invitation for you for sixth grade bands. Let me move me out of the way here. All right, you're all welcome next year to join sixth grade band. So I just want to talk with you a little bit about it. There's no audition, you're all welcome. And as far as time commitment goes, it's the same time commitment as fifth grade band. We expect all the same things of you with your daily practice. There's still the 2 before school rehearsals per week. And then you'll also have weekly pull-out lessons. They're the same time, it's a half hour per week. But the classes in sixth grade aren't a half hour. They're a little bit longer, so you won't be missing your entire class, which is great. As opposed to having one band director like you do now, you're going to have two band directors. You won't have them both at the same time. You will have me, Miss Bangara, for one half of the school year. And then you'll also have Mr. Ratner, the trumpet teacher. You'll have Mr. Ratner the other half of the year. Now, it depends what band you're in. The reason why there are two sixth grade band directors is because there's 3 elementary schools. You put them together in one middle school. That's a lot of students. So there are we anticipate about 150 sixth grade band students. So we have 2 teachers for that. So you'll have me one half, Mr. Ratner the other half. There are 2 concerts, one in the winter and one in the spring. You get to go on a field trip in the spring where we get to compete. And then there's some other things you'll learn besides music. You learn about world history. We like to choose pieces that differ a lot in terms of where they come from. You'll learn about sportsmanship. You'll learn about physics. We talk about things in our instruments, like how sound is produced, tuning. You also learn about math. These are already things that you're learning now. So just want to invite you guys to join sixth grade band next year. And you may wonder, well, how do I do that? Where do I sign up? There is a tiny URL that I would like you to go to. Don't worry, I'll provide the link for you. It's tinyurl.com/MTMS, that stands for Monroe Township Middle School Band 2020. When you go to that, bam, you're going to see a Google form. I'll make me a little smaller so you can look at the form. You're going to see a Google form here that I would like you or your parents or the both of you guys together to fill out. Talks a little bit about what I just mentioned, where you will fill out your first and last name, your current instrument, how many years you've been playing, what instrument you are interested in switching to. Now, you don't have to switch. But as a matter of fact, Mr. Ratner and I don't expect many people to switch, but there are some instruments here that we do need some help with, such as bassoon, oboe, French horn, and a little bit less of the low brass instruments, but we certainly could use those as well. So if you were thinking about potentially switching your instrument and you do want to stay in band next year and you're interested in any of these instruments, please check off one of these and reach out to Mr. Ratner and I personally, and we'll help you make that a reality. Write the current elementary school you're in, and the form goes on a little bit more. Once you submit this form, then it's good. Mr. Ratner and I will know that you want to join sixth grade band. We sincerely hope you do. But if you have any questions in the meantime, please feel free to email me, email Mr. Ratner. You can make a video back to us. Whatever you want to do, you can write it, email it, however you want. We're just so excited that we already know you now as fifth graders because we pop into your band rehearsals, but we'll also be your sixth grade band director. And conversely, your current band directors, whether it's Miss Burrell, Mr. Shirella, or Mr. Snyder, you're still going to see them in sixth grade band too, because then they are the co-directors for sixth grade band. So it's great the way the program is, and we want you all to be a part of it. So please consider it. If you have any questions, reach out. Take care.